Eucalyptus leaves are beloved of eco-printers, both people like me who want to work in a very environmentally mindful and sustainable way without using traditional powdered mordants, but also those who prefer to work with them. I've planted many different varieties here in rural Ireland, and a lot of these give wonderful red colour. Some of the reds are a little more purple in tone and some are very much brighter. One of my favourite is this tree here beside me, and these leaves are juvenile Eucalyptus cordata leaves. So I've actually prepared a free guide for those of you who are interested in learning about some of my favourite varieties. These are varieties that give reliable prints time after time. And I also include step-by-step basic eco-printing in the dirty pot instructions in the guide. So if you're totally new to the process, you can actually have a go yourself immediately. Now, it is important to note that you need to prepare your fabric very simply. Again, I explain how to do that in the guide. And you also need to process your bundles on a high heat for several hours. This will give you the best results and lead to a lifelong passion in many instances. I'm certainly addicted to working with eucalyptus, and that's why I've planted all these varieties here. So if you're interested in my free guide, just click on the link in the video description below. And if you have any questions, you can also ask them here too. Have a great time experimenting with eucalyptus.